How to invite friends on Messenger in IMO app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the IMO application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the contacts option from the bottom toolbar of your screen and then you will see the option for invite friends with Messenger. Tap on that, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on open, and now go ahead and tap on the send button beside the person whom you want to invite on emo. You can also tap on the search bar there and search for the individual and then send them the invitation from there too. So this is how you can invite friends on emo for with Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.